Okay, we go with the MyMaths walkthrough. This is 351 frequency tables and bar charts. Okay, so frequency table, this is some story about going to a supermarket. People are asked if they went to the supermarket or something, and we can see the number of visits was 0 and 5 people did 0 visits to the supermarket. We don't know how many people did 1 visit. We know 4 people had 2 visits to the supermarket, and we don't know how many people had 3, but we do know there was 14 people altogether, okay, because that's the total. Now if we look at our bar chart, we can see here the number of visits is 0, and that was made by 5 people. That's why 0 is 5. Now one visit was done by 2 people, so they've been to the supermarket only once. So this number here must have been 2, okay. 2 visits has been done by 4 people, so 4 people went to the supermarket twice. And then the last one is 3 visits, and that was made by 3 people, so I've got 3 people here made 3 visits. That gives me a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which is what the total is. So that to me I would guess is right. Follow-up questions on the bar chart. How many people were asked altogether? So the number of people who they asked was 14, because we told that was the total number of people asked. How many people went more than once, or how many people went twice or 3 times? That's what more than once means. So we know for people going twice, there was 4 people went twice, and there was 3 people went 3 times. That's a total of 7 people went more than once. Okay. Now the second exercise is just about trying to recognise the bar chart and the frequency diagram, and none of this has been drawn to scale. They haven't been labelled or anything. It's just a quick sketch of the diagram. So what I've got to do is look at the information in that frequency table. So frequency table is horizontal this time rather than the normal vertical version. So the number of pets 0, so 4 people had no pets, 4 people had 1 pet, and 4 people had 2 pets. So there was the same number of pets all the way across. So if I was to label these up, then frequency would be up the side, and then pets would be along the bottom. That's how I would label these things, right? So that's pets, that's pets. Now what you can see here, if this was 0, 1 and 2, then not many people had 0, 1 pet, so 1 pet was owned by the most of them, and then 2 pets is the same as the 0 pets. Now this one is saying they're all the same amount, right? So that's got to be this bar chart. So I'm going to go with that one, where they're all at the same height, so the frequencies are all the same height. The second question I think it was about musical instruments or something for me. So it's saying keys, drum and the guitar. And we can see the keys has got the most on the frequency, so remember the frequency goes up the side. It goes frequency, then the drums is in the middle somewhere, and then the guitars is more than the drums but less than the keys. So this one, the frequency is highest, and then it just always goes down. These 2 frequencies are the same, none of the frequencies are the same. This frequency is the highest, then the lowest, then slightly more but less than that one. So I'm going to go with that one for the frequency matching up there. That's it. Very quick video, 3:24:56.